I'm Josh from the How To crew. We're in, well, semi-sunny South Africa. It's a chilly 23 degrees Celsius, and today we'll be showing you how to polish your car when you have things like scratches or blemishes in it. As you can see here, we'll try and zoom in for you a bit. You can see the blemishes, scratches, and we'll be getting that out. So, what you'll first need are your tools, the most important things. A rag, is this, some polish. This is P1, so it's cutting cream. Nothing too abrasive, but something's just going to remove the blemishes there. You will need a polishing machine, but if you don't have one, it is fine. You can use just a sponge and go by hand. As long as you have the cutting paste, that's the most important thing. So we are, and water, sorry, I forgot to mention that. Water also very important, because when you apply your cream, you need to hydrate it to stop pretty much further scratching your vehicle, because if you do it dry, it's going to cause more of an issue and potentially burn the paint. So what we're going to do is we're going to get Noah, the guy behind the camera at the moment, to actually do the polishing, and I'm going to video him and he's going to show you how it's done. Okay, so this is Noah of the How To crew, and he's going to be showing us how to actually do the polishing. But first of all, Noah, did you put your safety equipment on?
Yes, I most certainly did.
As you can see, he's got his safety sandals on. That's all that's required here in South Africa. So Noah, show us how to proceed with this.
Alright, so I thought we'd start on a more basic thing. Not everybody has a polishing machine, so we're going to do this with a rag. Very importantly, you want the rag to be slightly damp, and obviously you're going to start by applying your P1 or cutting paste, and don't be shy with that, the more better obviously. And when you start rubbing, you want to start in a circular motion. You certainly don't want to rub in a straight line. It creates a lot of scratches, and it's just something that you want to avoid in your finished product. So we'll show you a little bit by hand. Obviously this will take a lot longer than the machine. So now that you've seen how that's done, just cut to the machine and put a little bit more P1. Also, just like with the rag, you want to make sure that your sponge is nice and wet. Obviously don't dip the machine into the water.
That could be an unpleasant shock.
Yes. So that's how the machine is done, and we'll show you the finished product once we're done.